We've come to the end of Module 10 now. You've now got everything in place to start the process of actually putting on some trades in the Forex. Even if it's with just a demo account, at least you're getting used to the process of trading. This is a very exciting part of the course, and I'm sure you're very excited to put on your first trade. You must review everything we've been through, especially the strategy modules and the trade example modules. And what you have to do now is start playing around with the broker interface. Start putting on some virtual orders and get used to managing the trades with the broker. You must be totally comfortable with the broker interface, and if you have any questions or issues with it, the broker support team are more than happy to help. You can get all the support you need on how to work with the broker platform through their support. Make sure you have played around with the demo account and get used to the broker interface. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in Module 11.